They say every car has a soul, but this one, it had a whole lot of rust, a family of raccoons in the trunk, and a dead battery older than my Spotify account. This is a 2005 Ford Mustang GT, 4.6-liter V8, American muscle. And the one I found was rotting behind a garage in Michigan. Sun-bleached paint, sagging suspension, and the smell? Think gym socks and regret. Why this car? Reminiscing, because when I was 16, my neighbor had one. Black, loud, and always a little sideways. I promised myself I'd own one. Life took a detour, but this forgotten GT brought that dream back. It wasn't just a project, it was personal. Getting it on the trailer was the first fight. Flat tires, locked brakes, I had to drag her out like a stubborn mule. But once she was loaded, I saw it. The Mustang silhouette under all that dust. That's when I knew this was going to be worth it. Step 1, tear it down. Seats out, engine out, rats out. Every bolt fought back like it had a grudge. I spent an entire afternoon just trying to pull one rusted bolt off the subframe. It finally let go, and I punched myself in the jaw with the wrench. But moment by moment, the old Mustang came apart. And beneath the grime, solid bones, a warrior's frame. The engine, 4.6-liter V8, she hadn't turned in years. I pulled it, stripped it, cleaned every inch. New gaskets, machined heads, upgraded cams, and a cold air intake for that extra punch. I learned to torque everything to spec or risk watching my hard work become fireworks. And when I cranked it for the first time, it didn't start. But on the third try, she coughed. Then she barked. Then she roared. That sound, that's what redemption sounds like. The body was rough. Faded paint, peeling clear coat, a dent the size of a basketball on the driver door. I sanded, primed, sanded again. Then I shot it with a custom metallic deep blue. Midnight blue pearl. The kind of paint that shifts color in the sunlight. Classy, mean. Mustang. When the clear coat hit, I swear I saw my future in that shine. The interior smelled like a thrift store dumpster. So I gutted it, reupholstered the seats in black leather with blue stitching, upgraded the stereo with a touchscreen Apple CarPlay unit. Modern comfort, classic growl, new brakes, Bilstein suspension, Flowmaster exhaust. And yes, I polished that pony badge like it was gold. Then came the day. Sun was setting. I slid into the driver's seat, took a deep breath, and turned the key. She fired up, clean and loud, down the driveway, onto the road, and when I hit second gear, she screamed like she was free. That car didn't just move, it galloped. This Mustang was forgotten, abandoned, left to rot, but we brought her back. Because some cars aren't just machines, they're memories, they're promises. And when you restore one, you're restoring a piece of yourself. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment if you've ever saved a car or dreamed of it. See you in the next video.